What's up, people? We back at it again. I got a great deal for y'all. I found it for myself. I'm just passing on the information. It's an ATV lawnmower lift. It locks onto the wheels and lifts it up. That way you're free to work on the deck, get up under there, the blades, easily maintenance, routine, sharpening blades. Allows you to do all that. I found it difficult using just a regular floor jack. There was just way too much movement. Really did not feel secure. But with this, it is very, very secure, very safe. It has multiple safety locks just in case. You never know. The installation on this was super easy, super easy. There was only a few bolts. The rest of it was just linch pins and very easy. I barely even had to look at the instructions at all for anything. It's just all simple. 1+1 = 2. Very easy to assemble. A lot of the bolts were pre-installed, so you know exactly where we were going. There was no matching anything up. You just had to unbolt, line the holes up, put everything back in. This here is installing the foot ramps, which also double as locking guards for the wheels. You drive your vehicle on top of these, it locks in. They're fully adjustable, also with linch pins for easy. This here's the handle. Already had the bolt pre-installed, just untighten, slide it in, retighten, good to go. That's how most of these pieces were. Just easy. Very thought out, well planned design. What can I say? That was easy. Very few pieces. Very few pieces, minimal work, very easy. Everything slid together. Only a few bolts. Everything else was just linch pin. Very simple. Even the lifting part, did you see that? Couple foot pumps, that thing's up in the air, secure. It's got safety latches. It ain't going nowhere. I'm able to work on the blades, do minor repair work, oil changes. It's gonna be a breeze now. This thing is gonna be a game changer, especially though now I'm getting into cutting lawns. I'm gonna definitely need access to that deck. What can I say? Thanks for watching.